In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 4275e printer that is printing the blank pages. Sometimes your printer is printing where it's not printing all the colors. Some of the colors are missing, like we can see the black color is not clear, or maybe sometimes the color ink is not showing up. To fix that problem we have to do the automatic printhead cleaning. Go to your smartphone, open the HP app. In the app, select your printer, scroll down, look for the option Diagnostics, and in that select Print Quality Tools. This will help you to unclog the clogged printheads. Select the last option, View All Print Quality Tools. Under the cleanup, look for the option Clean Printheads. And here we have to click on the Clean. So it has done the printhead cleaning. Let's check the print quality report. So we can see the ink has started to work. Let's check if all the inks are working now or not. Clearly all the inks has started to work, so that is great. In case you don't see the ink working right now, then you can click on the level 2 cleaning, and then it will take another 1 or 2 minutes to clean the printheads. I'm just going to do it again. So again it has printed the diagnostic sheet and all the inks are working. Once you are done, click on the done icon, and now we can go back to the main screen. So this way we can do the printhead cleaning and unclog the printheads, and now we can start using it. If that doesn't work, then you can do the manual printhead cleaning, or it may be possible if there is no ink in the ink cartridges, then you have to replace them. Thanks for watching.